Thanks, Eddie. Good morning, everyone. I'm just thrilled to be able to show you the brand new GarageBand. Now, thanks to iCloud support, you can start a song on your Mac or even your iPhone or iPad, and you'll always have access to the latest version. So here we have a little song idea, and it's built around a guitar riff. Why don't we open it up from iCloud, and let's give it a listen. Okay, I think that has some promise. What would make it a lot more exciting is some killer drums. Now, there's a great feature in GarageBand called Drummer, and it gives you a virtual session player that will play along with your songs, but takes your direction. And it's really fun, really easy to use. To use Drummer, you just go and create a new track, and in addition to all the options you've had before in GarageBand, like your software instruments, audio recordings, guitar amps, now you can create a drummer track. And when I do that, it starts me off with Kyle, along with a set of these performance controls that's going to let me tell and shape Kyle what I want him to play. So the next time I hit the space bar, Kyle's going to start jamming along with the song until I tell him to do something different. So let's check this out. So that's a little tame. Why don't we grab this puck here and increase the energy and complexity. Okay, that's more like it. And we can change the drum that he plays on. We can have him go to the toms, or have him hit the crash cymbals. We can even crank up the fills for a really big finish. Okay, that's more rock and roll. Sounds way better. All right. Thank you. So you probably noticed it sounds incredibly realistic because Drummer is powered by performances of some of the best session players in the world. So these are the same musicians that play with artists like Eric Clapton, Paul McCartney, and Adele. And if you ever want a different sound or a different style, you can just try out a different drummer. Now, every new Mac comes with GarageBand and a great set of starter content, including Kyle, and you can add 14 more drummers and a whole bunch of loops and instruments with a single in-app purchase. So what I'll do here is change to Alternative, and you can see that we've got Nikki and Aiden. Let's check out Gavin and see what he brings to the song. Brings a whole different approach to the track. So you just play along until you find a drum groove that inspires you. So that's just a quick look at Drummer. It's one of the many new features in GarageBand, and musicians are going to love having these great drum grooves to play along with. Thank you.